Many people suffer from problem breathing during sleep, ranging from mild snoring to a dangerous condition called obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring is the sound made by the vibration of the soft tissues in the mouth and throat. This happens when you're asleep, and the tongue, soft palate, and lower jaw relax and narrow your airway. This increases the speed of the air flowing through your airway and causes the soft tissues to vibrate. On the other end of the scale is obstructive sleep apnea, which causes sufferers to stop breathing periodically during sleep. The soft tissues collapse against the back of the throat, cutting off the airway for 10 seconds or more. The lack of oxygen forces you to partially awaken in order to open your airway, often with a loud gasp. The cycle then repeats many times every night, sometimes up to 40 times an hour. Some of the most common symptoms of obstructive sleep apnea include loud snoring, gasping or jerking during sleep, headache and sore throat, confusion upon wakening, excessive sleepiness during the day, difficulty concentrating, irritability or depression, and cardiovascular problems such as high blood pressure, stroke, heart attack, and congestive heart failure. There are several simple actions that can help you stop snoring: losing weight, avoiding alcohol, sleeping on your side, and using a humidifier. If we suspect that you suffer from sleep apnea, we'll recommend that you see your physician as soon as possible for a complete diagnosis. One of the most common treatments for snoring and sleep apnea is a customized oral appliance. These hold the lower jaw forward and keep the airway clear. To make a custom oral appliance, we'll first take impressions and bite registrations of your teeth. From these records, precise working models of your teeth are made, and the models are used to create an appliance specific to your needs. Some oral appliances are made in our office, while others are made in a dental laboratory. When the appliance is ready, we check the fit and make any necessary adjustments. For the first few nights, put it in 15 minutes before sleep to help your mouth get used to the appliance. Some initial soreness is normal, but let us know if the appliance is otherwise uncomfortable so we can adjust the fit. Identifying and treating your nighttime breathing problems can help restore your sleep and maintain your health.